Are you looking for the top 5 best adjustable dumbbells for your home gym? Which adjustable dumbbells are actually worth your money? Simple question, but to really find the gems, we have to dig a little deeper. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that could transform your home workouts.
Product number 1, FitPlam 5-in-1 Adjustable Dumbbell Set. First up, we have the FitPlam Adjustable Dumbbell Set. This caught my eye because it's not just a dumbbell set, it's a 5-in-1 system that offers versatility at an affordable price of $67.99. If you're looking for a multifunctional approach to strength training, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The FitPlam set can transform into dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, weight plates, and push-up stands. That means you can do nearly any exercise you want without needing a ton of equipment. The adjustable weights range from 6.5 to 47 pounds, making it suitable for everyone, from beginners to seasoned lifters. Plus, the exclusive dual lock nuts ensure safety during your workouts, which is crucial when you're lifting heavier weights. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, the quality and versatility you'll get from the set outweigh that initial frustration. If you're willing to invest a little time, the payoff is huge. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, all-in-one solution for your home gym. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional dumbbell feel, since it might take some getting used to. Overall, it provides fantastic value for money considering the features it offers.
Product number 2, EquipPro Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Next, we have the EquipPro Adjustable Dumbbell Set, priced at just $32.99. What really caught my attention here is how it's specifically designed for women, with a comfortable grip and lighter weight options. If you want a user-friendly set that's easy to handle, this is definitely worth checking out. The EquipPro set allows you to adjust the weights quickly from 2 to 5 pounds. This means you can easily tailor your workout intensity, which is key for progress. The soft TPU rubber handle ensures it stays secure in your hand, even when you're sweating. Plus, it's compact and portable, making it ideal for small spaces or quick workouts at the office. Some users noted that the maximum weight might be too low for advanced lifters, but honestly, if you're just starting out or focused on lighter workouts, this set is perfect for you. It also makes for a thoughtful gift for anyone starting their fitness journey. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, adjustable option that's easy to use. Skip this one if you need higher weight limits for more intense lifting. Overall, it's a fantastic entry-level set that won't break the bank. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a higher. Product number 3, FireDone DS2 Adjustable Dumbbells. Coming in at $76.49, the FireDone DS2 Adjustable Dumbbells are another great choice. What's impressive about this set is its 5-in-1 functionality, allowing you to switch from dumbbells to kettlebells and even a barbell. If versatility is what you're after, this one could be your go-to. The adjustable weight ranges from 6 pounds to 45 pounds, which means it can cater to both beginners and advanced users. This solid iron sand construction provides stability during lifts, allowing you to focus on your form without worrying about rattling. The unique threaded knob design keeps everything secure, ensuring that the weights won't budge during your workout. However, some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky compared to traditional dumbbells. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a wide range of exercise possibilities in one compact package, that bulkiness is a small trade-off of the versatility you gain. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for various workout types. Skip this one if you're only focused on traditional dumbbell exercises. Overall, it strikes a great balance between quality and price for what it offers. Now, if the size...
Product number 4, UNMII Multifunctional Dumbbell Set. Next up, we have the UNMII Multifunctional Dumbbell Set, priced at $79.97. What drew me in is its clever design that combines multiple functions into one set. If you want a space-saving option that doesn't compromise on versatility, this is worth your attention. The UNMII set offers a weight range of 2 pounds to 22.5 pounds, making it suitable for various strength levels. The thickened foam handle provides comfort during use, reducing strain on your neck and shoulders. Plus, it includes upgraded locking nuts for extra safety, which is a must when dealing with adjustable weights. That said, some users have pointed out that it can take some time to adjust the weights. But honestly, if you value a multifunctional set that can handle different exercise needs, this minor hassle is easily outweighed by its benefits. This is perfect for you if you're short on space, but still want a full range of workout options. Skip this if you need something that adjusts quickly for high-intensity workouts. Overall, it offers solid quality for the price. All right.
Product number 5, Amazon Basics Adjustable Dumbbell Set. Finally, we have the Amazon Basics Adjustable Dumbbell Set coming in at $49.49. This set is straightforward, reliable, and perfect for those who want something uncomplicated. If you want a dependable tool for basic strength training, look no further. This set includes 2 dumbbell handles and various weight plates, allowing you to easily adjust from light to heavier weights for targeted workouts. The quick adjustment feature, which involves sliding on and off plates, makes switching weights a breeze. Plus, it comes with a handy storage case for easy transport and organization. However, some users have noted that it might not withstand extreme wear and tear over time. But here's the thing, if you're just starting out or looking for something that gets the job done without fuss, this set is a great value. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-frills dumbbell set.
So to recap, we've looked at the FitPlam 5-in-1 for versatility, the Equip Pro for lightweight comfort, the Fire Done for all-in-one functionality, the Unmimi for space-saving design, and the Amazon Basics for straightforward usability. Each of these sets has unique benefits tailored to different needs. Choose the one that best fits your workout style and space, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals.